Today, na me be una husband. Now why I buy this wrapper to come share for una sake of say, I know say if una husband dey alive, you go buy una wrapper for Christmas. Egor local government chairman, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, talk this one when she share palliative give about 500 widows for Egor local government to take celebrate the Christmas season.
Today is the day that we empowered over 500 widows in Egor local government. And I want to thank God for everything. I want to thank our governor, my governor, your governor, our governor, Governor Godwin Norease Obaseki, for the support he has given to us in the local government to be able to, make sure that the widows in Egor don't go home without a little gift for Christmas. So we went round in the local government. We'll be sharing palliative rice for over 5,000 people in the local government. We went from house to house. So we now decided that it is good for us to do the ones of the widow. So today we were able to at least give over 500 widows food items and wrappers. I want to thank God for everything. All those widows who could not get anything today, please, if you are a widow, come to Egor Local Government Council and just write your name. In case any time when we have little gift to give to you, so we can call you on the phone. Thank you so much and God bless you. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for a talk with the widows talk say Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't give them palliative where them don't share house to house for Egor local government and say she no fit just dey no do anything for our widows. Now why she add small yam join the palliative and also wrapper for the widows.
But today now for widows. If you not say you be widow, you not get husband. Your husband don't go meet God. Now we hold this meeting for. Not before person where he get husband, maybe and the husband don't quarrel. He come out from the husband house, so not go kill him. No matter how the man bad rich, whether if he bring food come house, he not fit bring food come house. Whether if he pay school fees, he not fit pay school fees. Now papa, not be so. So make we not come they use another eye say because they want collect wrapper or collect small rice where government bring come go kill husband though. Because if you go kill the husband because of that one, who go they wrap your back once a while? You go there? The thing when I won't give una so na small things. As I dey go around local government, they share small palliative rice where governor bring come for us. Now I look and say, good make it be say I still give my widow. We enter house to house, community to community from ward 1 to 10. And I know say some people were there here now, some of them benefit. But it no matter. Today now for widows. Government bring small rice. They come because say okay, make I see put small yam join them. Then I can say, all those my widow, no matter how you and your husband go quarrel, when Christmas come, he must be buy a wrapper. Not be so. Today, na me be una husband. Then make me come buy this small wrapper. When I want share for una today, make me tell remember say that say my husband dey alive. He forgive me wrapper no matter how we go quarrel.
Some of the widows will benefit from the palliative can't tell Tory people say.
This our pikin. We dey proud of your papa till tomorrow. Yes. Now elephant they born elephant. Elephant not they born monkey. As he remember us, that's what God will remember us.
We thank Eghe.
Patience is busy.
Even all this thing to widows and widowers. We thank her so much. It's not easy this time. We thank her so much.
I'm happy and I'm excited. And I say, may God give him more long life and the more mind to do good for widows. God bless him in Jesus' name. Who made it possible for us to get food to enable us celebrate our Christmas and New Year in advance. We
Florence
We also
Obede.
equally thank the chairman of the local government council, Eghe Ogbemudia. They are done well for us today. I'm very, very grateful. May God bless her and make her continue to rule and reign.
Today now I came here in Egor for the widows gift. They gave me rice, other things and clothes. God will clothe them in Jesus' name. God will make them what they desire to have in their life. The good ones will enter their hand in Jesus' name. And so shall it be.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Palumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.